And as we prepare to enter a new year, let the message and hope of Christmas guide our steps. May we seek God's wisdom in all that we do. May we renew our commitment to unity, understanding, and respect for one another. We must all work together to build a Fiji where every child grows with hope, where every community is strengthened by peace, and where our diversity is embraced as a divine blessing rather than a dividing line. This Christmas, let the light of Christ illuminate our hearts and our homes. This Christmas, let us strengthen our resolve to care for the vulnerable, to promote harmony, and to serve one another with sincerity and humility. Through God's grace and through our collective effort, Fiji will continue to move forward stronger, more united, and filled with hope.